everybody. Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we have a special guest, and on the show we love to bring new people, new kids, new guests to help us learn to draw. So today we have
Chloe.
Hi Chloe. And how old are you?
7.
7 years old. So she has chosen to draw a
TacoCat.
TacoCat. What's a TacoCat?
It's basically a cat in a taco.
Basically a cat in a taco. What's TacoCat spelled backwards?
TacoCat.
TacoCat. So why not draw it? So everybody, thanks for joining us and enjoy TacoCat. I like to start out with, let's do the nose first. How about that? We're gonna do a little triangle pointing down. Okay? Good job. And then we're gonna draw the mouth of the cat coming down here. It's gonna go line down. And then a smile up. A smile up. Good job, looks good. Let's color in the nose, why not? Let's leave a little highlight, so a little white mark up right there, and then color in the rest black. That highlight, good job. Now, let's do some eyes. We're gonna do a couple of circles over here. Big circle eyes. I'll start, we'll go circle number 1. Good job. And over here, we'll kind of follow the bottom and do a point. Circle number 2. Looking good, Chloe, good job. So what do we remember about drawing? Does it have to be perfect?
No.
It does not have to be perfect, right? Are you an artist, Chloe?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, yes you are. An artist is someone that likes to create, right? Someone that likes to, enjoys creating. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? So let's do the highlights, okay, Chloe? I'm gonna do a big circle up here in that eye, and another circle in that eye. And actually, I want to do another little circle down here, and another circle down here. And right now that looks kind of silly, but we're going to color in around these circles black to make those highlights stand out and bring those eyes to life, right? Mm-hmm. Good. Can't wait to see our TacoCat, how it turns out. Do you want to do, let's do some eyelashes on our eyes. I like those. Here I go. On this left eye, I'm going to do a couple of little swoops. I'll do 1. Over here, let's do one that copies it. 1. And I'm going to do 2. A smaller one. Just below it. Another one. All right, that's looking really good. On my smile on my cat, I like to do these little kind of rainbow shapes to just make the smile stand out a little more. So watch this. We're gonna go smile, smile. Good job. All right, let's start to draw that big taco shape. So we're gonna need some ears first. So above these eyes, we're gonna draw a couple of triangles. So watch me. Here I go. I'm gonna do a big triangle ear. Good, and over here, I'm gonna do another triangle that kind of looks the same. So I'll draw over a point, whoop, and then we'll go triangle up, triangle down. Awesome. Now let's connect that triangle to this triangle in a rainbow shape, a rounded shape, like a taco. Okay, we can see our cat face, and now let's bring this taco all the way down. So we're gonna go plop. And the other side, let's do the same. We'll kind of draw a line over here, or a little dot to kind of see where we're gonna meet that shape, and we're gonna go clear down to that dot we just drew.
Look at that.
Yes, looking good, Chloe. All right.
I did a line.
It's great. It's okay. So what do cats have? They have paws. Let's do a couple of paws down here. That a rounded paw and another rounded paw. And let's connect those 2 paws. Oops. And let's connect that paw to the edge of the taco over here. Let's do the same with this paw. Over here to the edge of the taco. Looking good. I'm gonna just draw another little line that kind of shows the roundness of the paw. Does our cat need some whiskers?
Yes.
Of course it does. Every cat has whiskers, right? Let's do 3 whiskers. We'll start over here. I'll go 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And we'll do the same over here. We'll go 1, 2, 3. And you can do it however you want. It's a fun little TacoCat. And I'm going to draw a little triangle inside here. And we'll color those in with whatever color we want.
Maybe pink.
All right, now what does a taco have inside it?
Lettuce.
Lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, meat. I'm gonna draw the taco going this way though, okay? So I'm gonna start at the top, and here we go. This might be our lettuce. So a little squiggly shape. Bring it down here, little squiggly shape. And stop. Good. Now I'm gonna draw some squares, like when you dice the tomatoes for a taco. So here's 1 tomato, and the tomatoes will add color to our cat taco. That's square. TacoCat. Does TacoCat have a song?
I don't know.
I don't even know what a TacoCat is, but I'm glad you requested it. All right, now let's draw some of the meat. So this will be kind of big meat that comes through. Maybe it's a little smaller as we go to the top. It's just kind of a cloud shape. Little clouds.
To the ear?
You can do whatever you want. You can do it to the ear. You can bring it over the head a little bit, over the eyes. Good job. And now let's do maybe a little layer that's some cheese. We'll do some cheese right there. I know it doesn't look like cheese right now, but when we color it in, it'll look like cheese. And let's do a little cheese here. And let's do a little cheese up here, because we're cheesy, huh?
Yeah, cheese. It's cheese.
Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw a tail that kind of goes squiggly. So I'm just gonna do it in the air right here. Draw a dot, and just go up and over, and go over real big up to the edge. We're gonna curve that kind of big and get smaller as we go in. We're gonna follow that line and get smaller and smaller until it stops like that. Okay, good job. And this is gonna be the back of our taco. So we'll connect the tail to a taco edge. Bring that down all the way to the bottom. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? That looks awesome. Now we gotta bring this thing to life. How do we bring it to life?
I forgot.
We color it.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. We got some colors here. We're ready to color. Turn on the fast forward and let's color our TacoCat. Go.